The committee is already in receipt of the notices of disallowance referred to by Attorney Camora of ICFAO-COA during the April 14 hearing. This pertains to the disallowances of the first 3 quarters of the OVP Confidential Fund of 2023, the first, the second, and the third. The total amount of these notices of disallowances is 375 million pesos. So the COMSEC is directed to provide copy of these notices of disallowance to the Vice President, the complainant, and all the members of the Justice Committee. The same is true with respect to the decision referred to as well by Attorney Camora of ICFAO-COA. This is to prove that the appeal pertaining to the last quarter of 2022 confidential fund of OVP has been denied, which means that the notice of disallowance for the last quarter of 2022 was affirmed by the Commission on Audit. Likewise, the Committee Secretariat is directed to provide copy of the same to the Vice President, the complainants, and all the Justice members.